Welcome once again to this lecture series in Chemical Reaction Engineering 2. Today we'll start with problem solving session on gas liquid reactions on solid catalyst. So first we'll solve the examples from the book and then we will go to the problems from exercise. So 22.1 example, aqueous acetone concentration and volumetric flow rates are given, and hydrogen, again volumetric flow rate is given, Henry's law constant is given, are fed to the bottom of a long slender column 1 meter high, 0.1 meter square cross section. So you can get volume from here, packed with porous Raney nickel catalyst. Diameter is given, density is given, solid loading is 0.6, diffusion coefficient is given, kept at 14 degrees Celsius as shown in figure. At these conditions, the acetone is hydrogenated to propanol according to the reaction. So A plus B gives products. A is gas, B is liquid, and the reaction is taking place on solid catalyst. Rate minus Ra prime, this is based on weight of the solid, is minus Rb prime, because stoichiometry is 1:1, is equal to K prime Ca raised to half Cb raised to 0. So independent of Cb, 0 order, and half order with respect to A. K prime value is given as 2.35 into 10 raised to minus 3 in consistent units. Now this KAI, so this combined value is given for gas plus liquid. It is the sum of the gas and liquid film conductances. Inverse of this will give the total resistance of the gas and liquid film. So this value is given 0.02. KACAC, this conductance is also given as 0.05. What will be the conversion of acetone in this unit? So we have to find out the conversion of acetone. This is the column, 5 meter long, 0.1 meter square cross section. So volume we can find out 5 into 0.1. Hydrogen is entering at Pa0 is equal to 1 atmosphere, Vg is 0.04 meter cube per second. Xb we have to find out. Cb0 is entering at 100 moles per meter cube, and V, that is Vl, is 10 raised to minus 4 meter cube per second. So this is volumetric rate of gas, volumetric rate of liquid. So all the data is written here, which we have seen earlier. Now we have our rate equation in this form, minus Ra 4 times prime based on volume of the reactor. So we know the relationships, minus Ra triple prime into volume of catalyst pellet or volume of solids, minus Ra 4 times prime into Vr minus Ra prime into weight of catalyst, that is equal to minus Ra into V. So we have been provided with K prime, or rate is written as minus Ra prime. So the relationship between minus Ra 3 times prime and minus Ra prime will be W by Vp, weight divided by volume of catalyst, that is density of catalyst. So this minus Ra prime which is given, we can multiply by rho s and we get minus Ra 3 times prime. So we need the value of K 3 times prime in our equation for minus Ra 4 times prime that we have seen. So Cb0, Ca will be Pa by Ha, that is Henry's law constant is given, and Pa is 1 atmosphere. So Henry's law constant 36845 Pascal meter cube per mole. So 1 atmosphere is equivalent to this, and Ca you will get as 2.75 moles per meter cube of liquid. So here Ca is 2.75, which is PA by HA, and this is as initial condition. So we can say this is CA0 value. So you can see CB0 is 1000 and this is only 2.75. So it is in large excess. So we have condition extreme 1 and accordingly we will use our expressions. So we are using pure hydrogen, pure hydrogen, and PA is continuously supplied, so it is constant throughout the column. The rate is dependent only on Ca, not on Cb, because Cb remains almost constant. Cb is in very large excess throughout the column. So Pa is continuously supplied. So we know this Thiele modulus is equal to L into square root of n plus 1 k triple prime CAS raised to n minus 1 by 2 dE. This k triple prime we can write as k prime rho s, and a general rate if you use it is CAS raised to n minus 1 CB raised to m. Here CB raised to m is 0, and this k triple prime we have seen that it is k prime into rho s. So we'll find this. Characteristic length L is dp by 6, this we know, and now we'll find out Thiele modulus by substituting all these values. Reaction is half order with respect to A. So this dp by 6 comes out to be 8.33 into 10 raised to minus 6. N is half, so 1.5 by 2. Then K prime value, rho PA is 2.75, that we have. CA is 2.75 PA by HA raised to minus half. N is half, half minus 1 minus half, divided by DE value 8 into 10 raised to minus 10 and square root of these values. So this raised to 1 by 2. So MT comes out to be 64.4 and it is greater than 4. So epsilon A is tan H MT by MT, or it is same as 1 by MT, comes out to be 0.0155. Now we have this equation. All the values are known. PA by HA is 2.75. This value, these two coefficients are combined. So combined resistance is given. So 1 by that value. So you can see here the combined resistance is given as 0.02 and KAC AC is 0.05. So this combined resistance, combination of first two terms, then 0.05, this 1 upon KAC AC and 1 upon K triple prime we know, rho s we know, 2.75, that is Ca raised to minus half. Epsilon A we have found out as 0.0155 and Fs is given as 0.6. So minus Ra comes out to be 0.0317 moles per meter cube of second, and this is per meter cube of the reactor R. So we know Fa0xa is Fb0xb by small b, which is stoichiometric coefficient. In this case it is 1. So Fb0 is Vl into Cb0, that multiplied by Xb by b is equal to minus Ra 4 times prime into Vr. So Xb can be written from this equality. So B into minus Ra 4 times prime into Vr by Vl into Cb0. So B is 1 minus Ra 4 times prime, this we have found out 0.0317. Volume of the reactor is 5, height multiplied by cross section area is 0.1, divided by VL is 10 raised to minus 4 and CB0 is 1000. So here VL is 10 raised to minus 4, CB0 is 1000. So XB comes out to be 0.158 and hence the conversion of acetone is 15.8%. Now we'll see the next problem. The procedure is almost similar. Here VR is given, volume of the reactor 2 meter cube containing liquid with concentration Cb butanediol Cb0 is equal to 2500 plus a dilute suspension of palladium impregnated porous catalyst. Diameter is given, density is given, diffusion coefficient is given, solid loadings is given. Hydrogen dissolves in liquid with Henry's law constant 148,000 Pascal meter cube of liquid per mole and reacts with the butanediol and catalyst, and you get A plus B. Stoichiometric coefficient is 1. You always note the stoichiometric coefficient. Okay. Uh, Minus RA K prime CACB. K prime is given in here first order with respect to A, first order with respect to B. These are second order units at 35 degrees Celsius. This combined conductance is given 0.277. So first term, first two resistances are combined here. So 1 by 0.277 will give you addition of first two resistances. Second, KAC is given 4.4 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter per second. So this is the arrangement here. Butanediol is giving you butanediol. So 2 meter cube, all other properties are written here. Arrangement is unused hydrogen is compressed and recycled again, and it is coming out from this parger and bubbles travels upwards. We have to find time for 90% conversion. For 90% conversion. So Ca is Pa by Ha, so that it comes out to be 10 moles per meter cube. Cb0 is 2500, 90% conversion means 10% remaining is 250. So Cb0 and Cb final values are known. This value is 10 and even at the end it is much more, 25 times. So Cb is greater than Ca at both the ends. So you have extreme 1. Now here Ca stays constant throughout the batch run. Cb does not, as it is changing slowly with time. But still this Cb greater than, much greater than Ca condition is maintained. So here we will have to evaluate the rate of change of Cb with respect to time. So here AC you can find out KAC is 0.29. KAC is 4.4 into 10 raised to minus 4. So AC we can find out AC is 6 into Fs into dP, both values are given. This comes out to be 660 and KAC multiplied by 660 is KAC and that is 0.29. It is meter cube of catalyst per meter cube. So MT we can find out L dP by 6. Here N is equal to 1 here. Okay, Ca raised to n is 1. So it is 1 plus 1 2 by 2. K prime written here rho s value, Cb, and CAS n minus 1, n is equal to 1. So 0, CAS raised to 0. So CB is unknown, divided by DE, okay, and that raised to 1 by 2. So if you evaluate this, you get 0.1 CB raised to half. So we get the relationship in Thiele modulus at various values of CB between 2500 and 250. You can find out this Thiele modulus and you can find out efficiency. So efficiency is varying. In this equation, minus RA 4 times prime based on volume of reactors, PA by HA is 9.9955, almost 10. Addition of these two is 1 by 0.277. 1 upon KAC we have found out here 0.29. So 1 upon 0.29. K triple prime value we know, which is K prime into rho S. CB, epsilon A, and Fs is 0.0055. So you evaluate this 7.058 plus. Here if you evaluate all the substituted values, that comes out to be 2507 in the numerator, divided by CB is varying and epsilon A is to be evaluated at varying value of CB. So epsilon A is 1 by mt or tan h mt by mt, to be evaluated at mt is equal to 0.1 CB raised to half. So this will be valid for mt greater than 4. So we will consider this tan h mt by mt for evaluation of epsilon and not directly 1 by mt before knowing the value of mt. So here you can see, choose the values of CB 250 to 2500. So 2500 to 250 we have written here. MT values we have calculated, and you can see it is greater than 4 also and less than 4, greater than 4 and also less than 4. So epsilon A will use by tan h mt by mt and not by 1 by mt. So tan h mt by mt, these efficiency values we get. Okay, so efficiency, then minus RA triple 4 times prime, that we have calculated by the equation, because in this equation you know other things. CB is the corresponding tabulated value we take and epsilon A value evaluated at that value of CB. So in the equation for rate, we'll use this CB value and this epsilon A value. Here this CB value and this epsilon value, other, and accordingly we calculate all these values. 1 upon minus RA 4 times prime we calculate, and so mixed flow of gas and batch of liquid, B is in excess, so T is equal to VL by VR. Stoichiometric coefficient is B, here it is 1. CBF to CB0 dCB by minus RA 4 times prime. So integral y dx. So y is 1 upon minus RA. So 1 upon minus RA. So if you plot this 1 upon minus RA versus this area under the curve, you can find out, that will give you the value of integral, and you know VL is equal to VR in this case and B is equal to 1. So this is 1. So T directly area under the curve. So this you can find out. Graphical method in the book, it is 3460, and if you solve this integration, by numerical integration as we have done in the previous cases. The method has been explained to you earlier. So it comes out to be 3392. So almost matching. So 56.53 minutes. You can use any method, go for graphical or go for numerical method. Problem 22.1. Now this is from exercise. Treacle bed oxidation. Dilute aqueous ethanol 2 to 3% oxidized to acetic acid by action of pure oxygen at 10 atmosphere in a trickle bed reactor packed with palladium alumina catalyst pellets and kept at 30 degrees Celsius. So the reaction is given as A plus B giving you products. Okay. So minus Ra prime is equal to K prime Ca. This is the rate law varying with respect to A and first order with respect to A only. That means definitely independent of B. So K prime value is given 1.77 10 raised to minus 5. This is per unit weight of catalyst per kg. So that we have to convert. Fractional conversion of ethanol to acetic acid we have to find out if the gas liquid are fed to the top of the reactor and all other conditions are given. Vg is given, Ha is given, Vl is given, Cb0 is 400. Reactor dimensions are 5 meter high, 0.1 meter square cross section, same dimensions. Solid loading, this value is now high, 0.58. Diameter of the particle is known, density is known, diffusion coefficient is given as 4.6 into 10 raised to minus 10. And KAGAI 3 into 10 raised to minus 4 and KALAI 0.02. These are given separately now. And KAC is given as 3.86 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter per second. So here pure oxygen is used. So Pa constant throughout the column. Since the rate is dependent only on Ca and not on Cb, as Cb is much as given by the rate law, it is Cb raised to 0 independent of Cb. The rate is constant throughout the column because it is dependent on Ca. Ca is constant, so rate is also constant. Ca is Pa by Ha that you calculate, it comes out to be 11.782. Cb0 is 400, Cb is not known. So if even if you consider 90% conversion of Cb, Cb final will be 40, and even if it is 40, it is much greater than this. So Cb much greater than Ca. So we have extreme 1 again. So L, you know the diameter of particle 5 mm, that divided by 6 in consistent units of meter. So this comes out to be 8.33 10 raised to minus 4. N is equal to 1, so 1 plus 1, 2 by 2. K prime is given, rho s is given, then Cas raised to n minus 1, this is 0. Cb raised to 0 divided by dE, diffusion coefficient, and square root of this. So MT, Thiele modulus, comes out to be 7.293. It is greater than 4, so tan h mt by mt is 1 by mt, and it is 0.137. So to find the rate based on volume of the reactor, that is minus Ra 4 times prime, we'll calculate all these resistances. So first 1 upon HA KAGAI, HA is given, KAGAI is given, so this is the resistance. KLAI is given, so resistance comes out to be 50. KAC is given, AC we have calculated, KAC multiplied by AC comes out to be 0.2686, so reciprocal of that 3.72. 1 upon K prime epsilon A Fs into rho S. So K prime into rho S is this K triple prime. That resistance we have found out here, and here you can see the reaction is KCa, Cb raised to 0. So this Cb raised to 0, this will not be there. Ca means Ca raised to 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, so these terms will not be there. So total resistance for 48.42. Here you can see the major resistance is because of the chemical reaction at the catalyst surface. So rate Pa by Ha, that we know, divided by R, and that comes out to be 0.0263. So we will use Fa0xa is equal to Fa0xb by B. B is stoichiometric coefficient. Fb0 can be written as Vl into Cb0, and if we solve it for xb, B is transferred on this side, so B times minus Ra 4 times prime into Vr divided by Vl into Cb0. So stoichiometric coefficient is 1, minus Ra 4 times prime we have calculated here, that is 0.0263, 5 into 0.1, height into cross sectional area is the volume of the reactor, divided by Vl is 2 into 10 raised to minus 4, and Cb0 is 400. So you can check here, Cb0 is 400 and this Vl is 2 into 10 raised to minus 4. So this we have substituted here. So Xb is calculated, it comes out to be 0.1643. So conversion of ethanol is 16.43%. Next, problem number 22.2. So here the reactor is changed, slurry oxidation. So we are using, instead of trickle bed reactor, we are using slurry reactor. And only these values are changed, and rest of the data is same as that of problem 1. So diameter of the particle is changed, solid loadings, liquid hold up, gas hold up, these are changed. This combined conductance is changed, Kac value is different. So here we are using pure oxygen. Pa is constant throughout the column and rate is independent of Cb, dependent only on Ca, zero order with respect to B. So rate, as Ca is almost constant, rate is constant throughout the column. Ca is Pa by Ha, that comes out to be 11.782 moles per meter cube. Cb0 is 400. Cb final is not known. If you consider even 90% conversion, it is 40 only, and this is much greater than Ca value. So we will use extreme one. Ac value 6 times Fs into dP is calculated. L is dP by 6, that value is calculated. Kac Ac, this value is also calculated. And we'll find out Thiele modulus now. So Thiele modulus L 1.667 into 10 raised to minus 5. Ca raised to 1, n is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 by 2, 1. K prime 1.77, 10 raised to minus 5. Rho s is 1800. N minus 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 here. It is 0 order with respect to B. So these terms will not appear. Divided by dE 4.16 into 10 raised to minus 10. And square root of all these terms multiplied by L. That comes out to be 0.1458. So 1458 means this is less than 0.4. So tan H empty by empty is 1. Now we will calculate rate based on volume of reactor, that is minus Ra 4 times prime. So this equation we know. Now first these two terms, they can be combined as here combined value of conductance is given Kag Ai gas plus liquid. So inverse of this will give you the addition of first two resistances, and which comes out to be 19.231. 1 upon Kac into Ac. So we have calculated this Ac, then Kac into Ac is 4.8. So inverse of 4.8, 0.208. K prime epsilon A Fs rho s. So here also we are doing it for the same reaction, same problem. So Cb raised to 0, Ca raised to 1 minus 1 is 0. So this K triple prime is K prime into rho s. So we substitute the values. K prime we know, rho s we know, epsilon we have calculated, and Fs value is also given. So total resistance 176.376. Here also major resistance is because of the chemical reaction term at the catalyst surface. So rate is Pa by Ha by R, and that comes out to be 0.0668. So Fa0xa is equal to Fb0xb by B. Fb0 is again Vl into Cb0. So that multiplied by xb into B is equal to minus Ra 4 times prime into Vr. So xb can be calculated as B times minus Ra 4 times prime Vr by Vl into Cb0. B is 1. This rate is, this value is 0.0668. Okay, if you substitute this value and calculate, other values remains same. So only this value is 0.0668. If you substitute this and calculate, it comes out to be 0.4175 xb value. So conversion of ethanol is 41.75%. Next, 22.3, slurry tank hydrogenation. Predict the conversion of glucose to sorbitol in a stirred slurry reactor using pure hydrogen at 200 atmosphere and 150 Celsius. Any nickel catalyst is used. So reaction is A plus B gives products on solid catalyst. Rate law minus Ra prime is equal to K prime Ca raised to 0.6 Cb raised to 1, and K prime is given as 5.96 into 10 raised to minus 6 in consistent units. So Vg, Ha, Cb0, Vl, volume of the reactor, solid loading, diameter of the particle, density, diffusivity, all these things are given. Combined conductance is given for first two terms. Kac is given. So applying the similar procedure, we can start solving with Ca, Pa by Ha, that comes out to be 73. Cb0 is 2000, Cb is not known. So as usual, we consider 90% conversion. So it is still 200 and it is greater than 73. Though here it is not much greater than Ca, but still it is greater and we consider this extreme. So Ac we have calculated, L is dP by 6, KAC is also calculated. Thiele modulus L n plus 1 by 2. So n is 6, well, 0.6, 1.6 by 2. K prime into rho s, and this is n is 0.6 minus 1, so minus 0.4, Cb raised to 1. So Cb will be there, square root of this. So solving for all the known values, and we get mt is equal to 0.003255 Cb raised to half. So this will vary with Cb. So efficiency or effectiveness factor will also with respect to Cb from 2000 to 200 if you consider 90% conversion. So this Cb value, even this highest value is there, you can see this value will be less, definitely less than 0.4. So efficiency will be 1 in most of the cases. So first two terms replaced by 1 by 0.05. 1 upon KACAC is 1 by 3.36. KACAC we have found out 3.36. K triple prime is K prime into rho S, K prime into rho S. This Ca is 73 raised to n minus 1. So 0.6 minus 1 minus 0.4. Efficiency is 1, solid loading is 0.056, and Cb is variable now. So all other things calculated, we get equation in terms of Cb for the rate 73 by 20.2976 plus 1872.865 divided by Cb. So with the variation of Cb, you can calculate the values of minus Ra 4 times prime. So using our usual equation, Cb is Fa0xa is equal to Fb0xb by b, and finally we can write it as Vl into Cb0 minus Cb by minus Ra 4 times into Vr. So volume of the reactor is given as 2, minus Ra 4 times prime is varying with respect to b, and here Vl is 0.01, Cb0 is 2000, and Cb is variable. So you can write the values of Cb between 2000 and 200, and I have written here not all the values but the values in the relevant region where the match of Cb is possible. So Xb we have to calculate once you know this Cb value where this two should match, when left hand side is equal to right hand side for whatever value of Cb, that is our solution. So 0.01 into 2000 minus Cb with these Cb values are tabulated here. 2 into minus Ra triple prime, because you will change the value of Cb here and this value will change. And when you find out by trial and error, it is found that almost for the value of Cb is equal to 1328, this value 1328, there is a match. This value is almost matching. So with 1328, if you calculate, Xb is 0.336 and conversion of glucose is 33.6%. So today we will stop here and continue with the remaining problems in our next lecture.